Hi, I'm Sachan Mao. Today I want to show you a prototype of pitch an idea for SIT740 Research and Development Information Technology at Deakin. Um, the application is sound recognition. The purpose of the application is to recognize an object by its sound. So what is that sound from the audio? People can use the microphone to record the sound directly to do the processing, and also they can upload their existing audio. Generally, people hear a lot of sound surround them, but sometimes they cannot recognize what is that sound or what is that bird that make a weird sound. So it will process the sound and show the result here. For example, it is a tiger snake, and the application will show the photos of the object and also the text description to explain about the object. Is it dangerous? What is that object? Is it an animal? Is it an insect or something related to the natural? And this application will be useful in many domains. It can be a teacher to teach children about the sound. The children can learn the animal sound by using the application. The dog, the cat, or some animal. And also in some intelligent artificial, it can be used for smart home to detect the sound surrounding the house. What happened? There's a thief or burglar, then it can send the instant message to the house owner. Or also in the intelligent transport system, when user try a car, the car can alert the owner the sound outside. There's an ambulance, there's a police siren or fire truck, and the application will be able to allow user to save the result for them to watch later. User can watch the sound recognition that they had been done by in the history. Yes. So today I have show you the prototype of sound recognition for SIT740. Thank you for your attention.